Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to invite members to your community on WhatsApp. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp, which is owned by Meta, just revealed a community feature for its users. Users can combine up to 50 WhatsApp groups into one community using the brand new feature. Communities like neighborhoods, schools, and workplace can now link many groups under one roof and manage group chats thanks to instant messaging platform. And in this video, I will show you how to add members or invite members to your community. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can open your community. You can just tap on your community on the chat list, or you can go to your communities first, like this. Now you can open your community like this. You can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. There's an option like community info and invite members. You can tap on invite members. You can send link or you can add members instead. You can choose from your contacts. You choose this. Now you can tap on checklist. They will be added to the group community and it's an announcement group. They can join or request to join other groups in the community. You can tap on add. And now that contact has been added to your community. So here's the members of your community. So that is how to invite members to your WhatsApp community. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.